Still dark outside, but I'm filling up. It's not dark because it's evening, it's dark because it's morning. 296 in Washington. That's after I get my 2 pennies discount at the Maverick. And I got to pick up in Kennewick, which is 2 hours away, and delivers direct to some, I forgot, Royal City or something like that. So it's a short run, about 80 or 90 loaded miles is what it is. Pays good, so I took it. It's Friday, you know. Friday works out good for a short run, local. It'd be awesome. Alright, just about done here. Because everywhere else, guys, the price of the fuel is insane. We're still somewhat okay here at Maverick. Yes, I want a receipt. Okay, guys, let's roll. Check out this towing truck, guys. The artwork on that is awesome. Looks like airbrushed and whatnot. Or maybe it's just, maybe it's not airbrushed. Maybe it's wrapped. I'm not sure. Anyways, it looks cool. So, I'm at Estes. While I was driving here, not gonna say who, but the broker that sent us here, they were all super worried that I was gonna be late or something, that their system was showing me an hour late. Well, you know, I got here 5 minutes before, went and checked in. They asked me, what are you doing here so early? I says, I'm supposed to pick up at 6 o'clock. And the guy goes, well, usually you got to come back at around 10. I'm like, what? 10? Yeah. So the story is, he showed me a pile of paperwork where he knows about the freight. He's heard about it. He says he cut the bill out for it. So they know it's on one of these trailers. They need to be unloaded. He told me that first they unload all trailers. Then they load their trailers, and then they load people like me. So it's a minimum of until about 10 a.m. Their dispatch doesn't even show up until 8 a.m. And they sent me here at 6 o'clock. And I'm not sure who the smart one is on this, but they're not very smart. So I'm going to have to get paid for standing around. They were in such a hurry to get me here that they were so worried that I was going to be late. Telling my dispatch that, it's showing me an hour late and blah, blah, blah. Asked for location on the way here a couple times. So I'm here. We asked them how much they pay per hour for detention after the first 2 hours. And all of a sudden now it's quiet. It's a one-way street with these guys. Well, not Estes in particular, but with the brokers. One-way street. It's called the hurry, hurry, hurry. Wait, wait, wait. Part of life. So I get paid to sleep. I don't know who else gets paid to sleep, but I'm going to get paid to sleep here. We'll see how long it takes me to get loaded. Not sure. I'll try to fall asleep. If I can fall asleep, great. If not, then I don't know. Maybe I should move from being on site, but then if I move, they're going to know I moved. Yeah, whatever. So that's the update, guys. I'm going to go in the back, try to lay down, see if I can get some snoozing done. I was hoping to be home by 10 o'clock. They're saying that they just might be able to get me loaded at 10 o'clock to check back in the office at 10. Oh, man. Yeah. Keep you guys in the loop. So by some miracle, I have the freight ready here, and they want me to hand load, so I gotta figure out if they're gonna pay additional for this or not, how it's gonna work out. We'll figure it out, I guess. So we hand loaded it with another gentleman from the dock. This stuff, it says it's 600 pounds. 600 pounds. probably each, I think, is what it turns out to be. I don't think it's all together. This stuff's heavy. So I got it. Guess we'll see. I'm gonna strap it up and leave. Get out of here. I'm out of the shipper. I got 71 miles left to delivery. And I'll be there in about an hour and 10 minutes is what GPS shows. I've never been to that little town, even though I've kind of been all over the place here, but it must be one of those, you know, 5 blocks by 5 blocks or even less sort of town. So we'll figure it out, I guess. All right, guys, I just delivered to Napa. It was Napa Auto Parts. For some reason, it said a different name on here, but it is Napa Auto Parts. It was super fast. They had a forklift. The guy was right there. They're not busy. I love these kind of deliveries. This is exactly what it should be like every time. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for all the likes you guys put on there. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that bell notification button. That way you can see new content as soon as it comes out. So God bless you guys. See you on the next load.